Good morning, lads, lasses, and everyone else. Oh, I'm back. Yeah, I know it's been a while, but we're back here, finally. Currently waiting on platform 11's 158, 185 to leave. We've got another 185 and 195 but sat together. And over there we've got an Intercity 225 sat in this sidings. And they'll be coming back in once this one leaves, I believe. So let's just wait for this to leave. Here it comes. Three-tone and a wave from 185, 107. And a two-tone from the guard. Absolutely lovely that was. Off to Wakefield. And here we've got 800 to 112 pulling in. Heading up to Aberdeen. Oh, we hit a bird. And here we have 185, 109 pulling in. And 195, 004 leaving. And 91, 109 pulling in. Back a bit. And there's 82, 208 on the back. And 195, 116 leaving with a wave from driver. Proud to be Northern! Gotta love that. There it goes. 91, 190, Sir Bobby Robinson. 91, 109. Here we've got another 195 pulling in. It's terminating here. 195, 126. with a wave. Here he comes. And then we've got this one leaving. It's got a double yellow now. So we should be leaving. It's a really cold day today. Like, wish it was warmer. Let's not drop the phone. Here he comes. 195. 195, 113. With a tone. Two-tone as well. And a wave. Off it goes. And a wave from 801225. Is empty coaching stock, I think. Because look, there's nothing. Here we have 158 something 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 leaving. Yeah, 158 130. No, 185 130, not 158. Yeah, 185 130 leaving to Manchester Airport. With 185 145 on the back. I believe this guy's leaving, and then the yelling Niaris as well. Yeah, both off to Manchester Airport. Wave from the guard. And here we have an ex-Avanti 221. I have to say, out of all the deliveries Cross Country has for their 220s and 221s, ex-Avanti looks the best. Because the dark blue and the red or pink matches so well. There it goes in. Oh. Yeah, the pink. And then the ones on it, they look so beautiful. It's the perfect train. Or livery, at least, in my opinion. But yeah, 221, 117 entering York. And 195, 126 leaving again. See if we can get another tone. Off to Blackpool North. Two-tone. Oh. A three-tone make that. Off to Blackpool North. And away from the guard. And finally, we have a one-tone from 801203, who has taken its sweet time to leave after it got here an hour ago. But there you go, that's the doors interlocking. One of my absolute favourites. Or at least the electric motors are. Love those motor sounds. Could have done a bit better on the livery, but not bad. Oh, well, would you look at that water crosser. Oh, what a nut. And here we have 221 119 heading to Plymouth. Never mind. Yeah, no, it says out of service, but it says it's going to Plymouth as well. So I think it's a bit confused. Yeah, bit of a confused train. But what a crossover. We had all of them leaving at once.
What is that?
This is 801225. Eleanor.
Oh, it says it.
Yeah.
So what's the importance?
That's the number in which it was made. So, or it's basically just the number it has. So you can classify them each with a number.
Wait, but that's got a different number.
Yeah, that's the coach numbers. So each coach number has a different one, but still has a 225 at the end. That's the order in which they go in. Because sometimes they get taken apart.
And that'll be 821, and that'll be 820. Oh no, it's not. Why was that not 820?
Because that's a driving one. 3 tone. 221, 119. $150, 228. With the corridor nose instead. $150, 228, leaving again. To Sheffield! Love Sheffield. And here we have 185, 122, leaving to Middlesbrough. Calling at Northallerton, Eaglescliff, something, and Middlesbrough. Very loud, 2-tone. Off he goes! 801, 209, leaving to York Colgate sidings. Two, 131. Off to Plymouth! What? Plymouth. Off to Plymouth. Here we have 185, 109 about to leave. From the guard, lovely. But I thought let's do a rating of these trains. So we'll start in first class. We'll see these seats. They recline. They've got the headrest, and they've got nice views. Really nice. And then if we head back through, we've got standard, which not as good. I've ridden both, but you've got washboard seats. Most people know what that is. In this lovely red, it's got what are they called? Plug sockets in. Nice window seats, and I believe set in 2+2 seating here. Then we head back through. We've got 2+1 seating here, so you've got much wider area, much bigger tables. And then if you keep going through, It's nice. Step down, lovely. A bit of a short skid here. Opening, going in, and walking through an 800. Because why not? See? Then buttons are here. Actually, a really good level. Open, slides open, light goes on. Step down, and then push it and in, and shut it. And that's how you do it. Here we have 802, 207, leaving to Liverpool Lime Street, I think. Nearly missed that. Two-tone from 195, 113 up to Leeds. And here we have 802, 218 coming in on diesel. Not bad looking trains, I will say. Livery's a bit, yeah, could do better, but not bad. Prefer the 397s. They suit the livery. And we have 180. Don't ask me. They never have any numbers on them. But here it comes. Yep. Oh damn, that's quieter than usual. Heart of the North. Off it goes. Wave from driver of 185, 113, heading up to Manchester Airport. Off it goes. With 185, 140 on the back. And a nod from the driver. 195, 128 again. And 800 or 801, 103 pulling in. Going from London King's Cross, terminating here at York, I believe. And yes, it's still really cold here. I am freezing. But yeah, 800, 103 pulling into York. One tone plus wave from 801226 together livery. Got trans flag, another flag, another flag, another flag, another flag, another flag, another flag. All the flags together. The only one I know is the trans flag. And here we have a cross-country 220. 221, 128. Off it goes. And 801, 209, leaving. Nice, slow, gentle leave as it picks up speed. First stop is Grantham, and it finishes at London King's Cross. Now it's picking up speed. There it goes. At York. And another 185 pulling in. Or double 185 pulling in. To platform 7. Let's see if we can get a turn. Move back a bit, because don't want to get hit by the wind turbulence. Yeah, look, it's a TPE. 185, 114. Mixed with 185, 134. And another 185. So many today. Hey guys, coming onto the same platform as that double header we just had. Lovely wave. Away from guard as well. Lovely day today. 185, 107. And another 800 leaving. Lost plane. 800 leaving. 801, 103. Heading down to London with a two-tone. 800, 103. To London. First stop being Doncaster. Oh, it's to Doncaster Depot. Oh, it's to... Okay. It's not to London. It's to Doncaster Car Depot. Or Carriage Depot. Funny. And it then goes back to Doncaster at midnight. Isn't that fun? Off it goes. It's cold. And we have this 220 about to leave. I believe it's the same 220 or 221 that we just saw, because they're not going anywhere north. Everything is stopping here. Almost nothing has gone north of York today. Here it comes now. Two-tone from 221, 128. Plaza 195. 2 car 195. With a wave. 195 004 again. From Leeds, back up here. And another 185 with a 3-tone. 185, 4-tone, 185, 102. What's a wave? Jesus Christ, he's wanting to be out of there now. York. And final train of the day, here at York, is 180, 106. No, I didn't read that, I just looked at real-time trains. Are we gonna get turns? Nope. It's still fun to try. Told you. God, they hurt to listen to. But final train of the day, 180, 106. And with that was the day at York. See you all next time.